So today's job, the day after the storm, and yes, it is both hat and sunglasses weather because it is sunny and windy, is to check on all the damage. There's a lot of water here as well, even more than we've had. I mean, it's flowing through all these ditches that are down the sides of the allotments. So let's go and see what the damage is. These ditches were empty the other day. They are full and running like rivers. There's lots of bits of plastic being blown around the site by the look of it. And a few kind of trellises and things over. But so far it doesn't look too bad, but we shall see. As long as my shed is standing, I will be happy, I think. That is someone's polytunnel down, unfortunately for them. Fruit cage is still standing for someone. That's the plot of 1,000 nets, literally. To be fair, I think that shed, that second one there, was already ramshackle, so I don't think that's had any further damage. That one's fine. Now that, I don't think those pallets have fallen over there. Now the shed appears to be standing at the moment. It's that red one there. We're going to go up this way because you get a full appreciation of how wonky the shed is if you walk up this way. And I am in great fear of losing it and having to buy another one. And I really don't want to have to do that. I've brought some bin bags with me so we can bag up the inevitable rubbish that will be flying around. Let's see how things are. Very, very wet. Another ditch there. Very wet. Met a new plot neighbour the other day who is half of this one. They just took it on in the summer. That's fallen down, but that's no biggie. Valerica's greenhouse is still standing. Well, the shed's still here. It's a good start. Wow, not bad actually. Good news for the greenhouse for Valerica. I was expecting a lot more to have been blown around. I mean, this is all still here. And I wasn't well at the weekend to cover the batten the hatches. As you can hear, still very windy. These bottles are still on the end of the canes as well. I do feel very fortunate. Yes, this was a little inevitable, but gives us a good chance to see what is underneath. Look, it really has died back, but also, you can see how bumpy it is. I mean, oh, there's got to be a foot difference between the levels there. It's going to be fun levelling out, isn't it? But it's good and dead. This bit wasn't covered for so long, so not quite in the same dead status. Well, that's all easy to recover. I think I've got off quite lightly actually. Let's have a wee look down here. Have a look. Oh yeah, that polytunnel cover has come off, but I don't think that's a big issue. Or is it? No, it doesn't look like it's ripped actually. That's not good. Things don't don't seem so bad. And this is really strange because we get ever such strong wind coming from just behind me where I am now. It's too wet for this onion. It's not enjoying that at all. Oh, even my Brussels are standing. They have blown, but they are standing. Ah, I think we will be grateful. There we go. Very, very fortunate, especially some of the things I've seen from some plots and plots and gardens. So I'm going to do some tidying up, get that recovered, drop off my compost, then I'm going to go home. I was going home, and then I started thinking about this new area I want to put my bushes in, my currant bushes and my raspberries and all that. And I remembered I still had a potato in here. So I thought I'd dig up the potato, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 potatoes. So that's nice. And then I thought, well, I'm going to clear this bed here anyway, which had little tiny leeks in. So I got the leeks up, and I think it's leek and potato soup for dinner. And actually, these kind of lazy raised beds I've done are perfect for the winter here. So if I overwinter things, I'll definitely do this again. As easy as anything because it wasn't saturated and it's that nice crumbly soil. So definitely something to remember when working on a wet site with clay, lazy raised beds. So something to think of going forward. There we go. I'm going to bag up my potatoes now and my very baby leeks. They are tiny, but you know, give a bit of flavour, won't they? And then on this rather nice sunny day, going to finish up because there's nothing urgent that needs doing. There we go, job done. More job than I expected to do, so that's good. Time to go home now with my bag of goodies, which all look very yummy, I have to say. Can't wait to get tucked in. Until next time, enjoy whatever you're up to, and I hope the storm wasn't too bad for you where you were.